Teachers is that let us come out, protect this strike and defend our rights, because this is not about even all those issues, but it's also about our respect and the dignity of the profession of teachers in this country. For far too long we have been taken for a ride, but I know that after this strike, our demands, once they are heard, our dignity and respect for the profession of teachers will also be respected.
Peter, Assistant Executive Secretary, KUPPET Kisii. We are here to pursue our rights as teachers of KUPPET, teachers of Kenya post-primary education. And we are here to demand the government to honor its pledge. For once, we know as teachers, we have stagnated in one job group for so many years. Ask these teachers. Some of them have been in one job group for 20 years. Who does that? Which employer does that? The CPG guidelines, we are saying no to CPG guidelines. Number two, we were enrolled to Provident Fund, and we were promised not to be deducted the NSSF, but now they are deducting both NSSF and the Provident Fund, which all geared towards our retirement. Are we children of a lesser God? No. We need the government to come out clear and let them refund us the NSSF money, and then let them now cover us with the Provident Fund, or refund us the Provident Fund and cover us with NSSF. Retirement scheme. Power.
We are behind them and we will not relent until those demands.
The Treasurer KUPPET Kisii, and on behalf of these teachers behind me, we stand firm. We are not going to school until all our demands have been made. We have the reducible minimums. Number one is confirmation of the teachers, 46,000. You realize there's confusion within the government. Government says they approved the money. The CS Treasury says no money allocated. So we want the government to come very clear on the same. We don't want to have a government which is leading us into rise. Number two, these teachers have suffered in hospitals. We have a comprehensive medical cover which is not being implemented by this government. We had deducted NHIF, the money is never sent to the hospitals. So we are here to demand that the government honors its pledge. Many of our teachers here have received warnings from the banks that they are not paying loans, whereas TSC deducts money every month. So we are here demanding that all the money deducted from our teachers is paid to the banks and all the other third parties. We are not part of NAT. You will realize that NAT has nothing to lose in this. But if we stop this strike, we have everything to lose, because the chess teachers are secondary school teachers. They are part of us. Number two, you will also realize that in primary there are no exams. There are no exams this year. But in secondary we have exams. But we are determined that the exams can wait until our demands have been met. Thank you, and give us support. Teachers power! Teachers power!
The organizing secretary of KUPPET Kisii branch. As you are seeing behind me, these are teachers from Kisii County who are already prepared for the strike that is starting today because of the strike note that was issued by our national officials, led by our SG, that is Akero Misoli, and we are fully behind our SG. We have our reducible minimums, that includes full implementation of the CPA phase 2, confirmation of the JSS teachers, that is 46,000. The government must confirm them. Promotion of our teachers, the government must ensure that they have promoted our teachers, and many other demands, including our comprehensive medical cover. We are aware that the government has already reduced our comprehensive medical cover from 21 billion to 11 billion. We want them to increase that amount so that our teachers can be able to get proper medical care and many other demands. We are prepared for this strike. Even if it goes for 3 months, we are ready as teachers of this country. We are aware that NAT has already pulled out of this strike. But remember, NAT and KUPPET, those are two unions which have different structures and different organizations. So for us, KUPPET, we are going for this strike as far as our demands as teachers of this country has been given by the government. Otherwise, tuko ngangari na tuko kwa barabara.